Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an SCP Surprise Fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our SCP Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. Let's start by lining up the corners of our paper and giving it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, let's line up the corners one more time, and we'll give it another nice fold. Now when we open this up, we have these little guidelines that show us where we want to keep the inside of our drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now we're going to start off with drawing SCP-999. And we're going to make it look like he's going to open up his mouth. So first thing is, let's begin with the eyes. So let's start by drawing an oval shape right here. Then we're going to leave some space, and we're going to make another oval shape right over here. Next, we're going to make a little oval shape here. And then we're going to make another one right here. Then I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve across. And then I'm just going to color this part in real quick, just to give it kind of like that cute eye effect. So we're just going to color this part in, just kind of give it a little bit of that like cute eye look. Now right here, we're just going to make a little line. It's just going to go down and up and down and up. It's going to look like a mouth, but eventually it'll be the chin. Next, we're going to draw a line that's just going to curve around, and it's going to come down here. And we're just going to make this line come down, and we're going to make this line come down. Then I just want to draw a few kind of like bumpy, wavy lines, just to kind of make it look like he's kind of dripping a little bit. You can even add some of these onto the edges as well. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we have it opened up, we have two halves of our SCP-999. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to make the mouth. So I'm going to draw underneath this fold line, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down and up, and then down and up. Then I'm going to draw a line down here and down here. Now I'm going to make a nice big curve here. And I'm also going to make a little line here and here, so it looks like he's smiling. Now the first SCP we want to start with is SCP-173. So let's start right here. So I'm going to begin by making an oval shape for the head. Then I'm going to make a line that comes down and a line that comes down. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out, it's going to curve around and come back. Same thing, it's going to come out, it's going to curve around and come back. Then we're going to go down and down. Now let's begin here by making a circle and a circle. Then we're going to make a small circle and a small circle. We're going to make like an oval shape, real skinny. Then we're going to make another oval shape here. Then we're going to make kind of like a bumpy line around here. And then one that's going to come out and down right around here. Now next, let's draw SCP-682. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, and then we're just going to go down, We're going to make some zigzag lines here all the way over to here. We're going to make a line that's going to come out and down. Then we're going to bring this line back here. And then we're going to bring a line out, down, and over. We're going to make like a nose. And then we're going to make some sharp, sharp teeth on here. And then we're going to make some little lines right up here to show all the hair. And then we're just going to bring a line down here. Next, let's draw SCP-049. So to start off with like the Plague Doctor, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to begin by making an oval shape for an eye. And then we'll make another oval shape for an eye. We're going to draw a line that's going to come down to a point and then back for the beak. We're going to make another one here, and we're just going to kind of curve it around, leaving a little bit of space in the lines. We're going to make a circle here and a circle here with a little black dot inside each one. We're going to draw a line that's just going to curve around for the mask. Then we're going to curve a line right around here for like the hood that he wears, and we'll connect it here. We'll draw a little line here. We'll make a little line that's going to come down to here, and a little line here, and one here. We'll make a line that comes up, and we'll add a couple buttons on there. Then, finally, let's kind of finish this off with SCP-096. So, I'm going to start right here, and we're actually going to make it kind of look like his mouth is open, like he's yelling. So we're going to start by making a circle here for an eye, and then a circle here for an eye. We're going to make a little bump for the nose. Then we're going to draw a line that's just going to come across here, and then we're going to bring it up here for that long mouth. We'll make a couple bumps on the top and bottom for teeth. Then we'll make some long lines right around here. We'll curve this line out and in. Do a bump here and a bump here. Then we're going to curve this line around to here. And then we'll curve this line down and put a little line here. We'll make a little bump for the ear. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down and this line down. We'll make it kind of jump around, and we'll connect it to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to bring this line up on each side. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and in, and then we'll connect for like the arm. We're just going to go out and then in, and then we'll connect it for the arm. And then just to kind of finish this off, we'll add some extra little bumps on here just for like more of that slime. And there you go. There is your drawing of an SCP Surprise Fold. When I have it all folded up, we have our little SCP. And then when we open it, you can see there's a bunch more coming out of the mouth. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.